Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to get Rayan Legendary Aura in Aura Craft game. First of all guys, you have to reach uh, fusing place. So it is right there. Just follow me and be careful while going. Now once you're here guys, let me finish this and I got the aura that I was looking for in fusing. Now if you want to get guys Saiyan, how can you get it? So it's quite easy. You just need to fuse two auras here. And what are those auras? First is power, and second in energy. So just place both these, and there's 10% chance that you will get Saiyan after fusing this. So just start fusing, and after 4 hours you will get to know that you got Saiyan or not. So there is less chance, but still you can get if you are lucky. So yeah, that's how you can get it. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then.